Hey guys, okay, so today I'm at the new property and we have these big holes in the driveway. I don't know how well you can see those, but anyways, we have these big holes in the driveway and we are going to be trying to kind of level them out and fill them up. I've got a bunch of rock in the back there that we're going to be using, and something else that I'm going to use. I don't know how many of you have heard of GeoGrid. This is not GeoGrid. This is a cheap, hopefully, alternative. And that is that orange temporary fencing that you see. It is UV treated. I don't know how long it will last. So this is kind of an experiment to see if this is a viable alternative to GeoGrid, because GeoGrid is actually pretty expensive. So I will update you again here in a little while after we get some of this laid out. Okay. And the dancing commences. Okay, so we have this first section laid out. The holes in this stuff were a little bit bigger than I anticipated, so we laid them first the long way, and then we laid some across it too. And we're going to put one bag of the big pebbles, river pebbles, the big ones in the hole first, just kind of hold down the bottom, and then we are going to fill everything with the pea gravel, and then we will switch over to the big rocks again for the top. And we may end up between the pea gravel and the big rocks, we'll end up laying more of this, but maybe not today. We're just going to try to get this covered today for right now so that it doesn't blow away. And I have no idea how well this is going to work, but we shall see. Alright, you want to dance some more? Okay. Alright, I'm not filming anymore. Guys, we are losing the daylight, and we also ran out of rock. I did not buy enough, but this is kind of what is going on here, and I will have to get a lot more rock. I may have to actually bring in a couple tons. So what I may do is I may just buy some more bagged rock and get these layers of plastic down, and then have them bring in a couple tons to finish off the driveway, so I don't have to haul it all with my poor truck. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside now, and we got some more work we're gonna do in there, and then we'll end up going home later. Okay. I don't know.
I've devoted myself to dancing in front of the camera every chance I can.
Okay guys, so this is the floor that I have steamed. I think I mentioned that in another video. And today we just ran 40 grit sander across it, just a hand sander. I guess I should say we did a couple passes with it, but that's our first real pass with the sander. And as you can see, that floor actually cleans up pretty nice. This one kind of just has a dark grain to it, kind of weird. Anyway, so you can see where we have not sanded and where we have sanded. So we are definitely going to be cleaning this floor up, because I think that will look really good when it's all pretty again. And let's see, oh yeah, we found cardboard upstairs. We got a little bit of water leak. I don't know if you can see them, but we've got pipes right there, and I doubt you can even see that pipe. Yeah, it's too dark. Anyways, there's two pipes up there, and that's where the water is seeping in, so we will have to make sure that we get that sealed up when we do the roof. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We're going to pack up and go home. So I guess the thing is, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that stuff. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.